Greetings of the day. This is Zenjos UR16C011 to living on to program on file handling. The file handling is a program on which we're going to write on the file and then display what's there in the file. So two programs we're going to do. The program first is to write in a file and create a new file in which contains all the words, and thus we will uh, again create a new file which will convert this all the words which you contain into upper class. So first program is this. So I have first declared a function upper of void, then of a stream out is this is used read the uh, to read or create a new text file. Out open is to open the text file. Then in that file I have written program on file handling. Then I've closed the file. Then I've called the upper function. Then I've declared initialize this upper function. That I've again created another file in which I'm going to read this upper case of the text file, first file. Whatever there is in this first file, that is file. For here I've taken program file handling, but anything you write in this file, second file one, it will convert into uppercase of what is there in first file. And if stream is used to write on the to read from the first file. Then in while loop for to convert uh, this into upper, I've taken a while loop where while not in, that is in our reading reading of the first file, e of e of f is end of file. It will go till the file has ends. It will read all the content. Then ch, our input, will be equal uh, to upper, right? If you convert it to uppercase, then see out, it will see out and get the, when you close the file and run it, program on file handling. Similarly, when you see first, as you can see, first file program on handling created, then and second one program on file handling is capitalized. Now we are going to do another program to get the details from the user for calculating average of three subjects using the class, and write it in a file and read from the same file and display the data. That is whatever there we have inserted, it will display in the file also. So first we have first I've created a class person that uh, name of 10 size of character data type, age of integer, m 3 for marks integer data type, and sum is equal to 0, that is sum of all the three integers, sorry, marks which have taken float, average will be is equal to float. Then I have a getter to get the data from the user, that is name, age, and subjects, which is I have initialized in for loop. And also it will sum the subjects and also to calculate the average. Then to show the data, that is our setter, to display the data of attributes such as name, age, marks, and average. In main function, I've called the class P initialize an f character ch, f stream f, that is I've created a file, an open person, and I've appended input and output, that can write it and take it from it. Then I've taken a do while loop in which I've first get the display the data, that is get data, that is it will first take the data from the users. Then I have f, that is file, that is person file txt, is write dot write reinterrupt underscore cast cat star ampersand p size of p. This is used for converting a hexadecimal file into text into decimal file. It reinterrupt forces a compiler to reinterrupt this data. Here again, I have asked the user where they have to enter the data. If no, it will seek the, that is reads all the data, and again it will read this all the data, and then in while loop, while a file is until not f uh, dot eof, that is end of file cout person, and it will p dot show data, that will show the data and read all the file that is uh, read all the data which is on the file and shows the data. When we execute it, that can be done as age be 20, sorry, 20, marks of each subject is this. I don't want to continue. Okay, so you can see, and person, then is age, means marks in three subjects and average of three subjects. By this, our program on file handling has successfully executed. Thank you.